If you don't take care of your health, watch this video carefully. Bell peppers, also known as sweet peppers or capsicum, are among the most nutritious vegetables you can add to your daily diet. Their bright colors, red, yellow, green, and orange, are not just beautiful, but each one contains a powerful combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body needs to stay strong and healthy. First, bell peppers are an excellent source of vitamin C. In fact, one red bell pepper can provide more than 150% of your daily vitamin C requirement. This vitamin plays a key role in boosting your immune system, helping your body fight off infections, and speeding up recovery when you get sick. It also supports collagen production, which is essential for healthy skin, reducing wrinkles and keeping your skin firm and glowing. Second, bell peppers are rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, quercetin, and lutein. These compounds help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Lutein and zeaxanthin, in particular, are very important for eye health and can help prevent vision problems like macular degeneration. Another major benefit is heart health support. Bell peppers contain potassium, fiber, and vitamin B6, which work together to regulate blood pressure, improve blood circulation, and reduce bad cholesterol levels. This makes them a heart-friendly food that can help prevent cardiovascular diseases. Bell peppers are also very beneficial for weight loss and metabolism. They are low in calories, but high in water and fiber, which helps you feel full longer and reduces overeating. Additionally, they contain compounds that may slightly boost metabolism and help your body burn calories more efficiently. For digestive health, the fiber in bell peppers supports a healthy gut by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy digestive system is essential for overall well-being and nutrient absorption. Bell peppers also contribute to better brain function. The antioxidants and vitamins they contain help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, which may improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive performance. Moreover, they support healthy hair and nails due to their rich vitamin and mineral content, especially vitamin A and C. These nutrients help strengthen hair follicles and promote growth. Incorporating bell peppers into your diet is easy. You can eat them raw, grilled, roasted, or added to salads, soups, and stir-fries. Not only do they enhance flavor, but they also significantly boost the nutritional value of your meals. Take care of your health today, because small changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in your life. See you in the next video. Stay healthy.